Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video I'm going to be sharing a few different websites that you can use to start earning $100 a day online. So if you're someone who's looking to make some extra cash on the side, or you're just trying to create a full-time income by working online, then these websites are going to help you out. But before I get into this video, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, let me just get right into this video. So I'm going to go over to my computer to show you the websites that I'm talking about. Alright, you guys, so the first website that I want to share with you that you can use to start earning $100 a day with is going to be Amazon Associates. Now, as you can see right here, this is the Amazon website. So in order to become an associate, all you have to do is just scroll down on the homepage of Amazon, and it's going to say make money with us, and you're going to click on the part where it says become an affiliate. So this is going to take you to the Amazon Associates page, or you can just come here straight away by typing in Amazon Associates. So what you're going to do is you're going to sign up to become an affiliate with Amazon. So basically anything that is sold on Amazon, you can promote that as an affiliate. So you're going to get a link for any product that you want to promote, and when somebody clicks on that link and they buy that product, then you would earn a commission. So to give you guys a quick disclaimer, nowadays Amazon requires you to have your own website in order to become an affiliate with them. But it's not hard to create your own website. I'm pretty sure you can find plenty of videos on YouTube where you can watch videos on how to create your own website. Now, this is my favorite method when it comes to making money online, because you don't have to create your own product in order to start earning money. All you're doing is just simply promoting other people's products, and you're making commissions every time somebody buys that product that you're promoting. Now, what a lot of people do when getting started with affiliate marketing is they make the mistake of getting their affiliate link and posting it all over the internet and hoping somebody clicks on that link and purchases the product that they're promoting. So I'm going to show you an example of how you can promote affiliate products. So I'm going to go over here to YouTube, and I'm going to show you a guy's channel that teaches you how to build gaming computers. So as you can see right here, I'm on Joey Delgado's YouTube channel, and he has videos just basically showing you how to build gaming computers. So if I click on this one right here, I'm going to pause it. So I'm going to pause it, and he's basically breaking down how to build a $3,000 gaming PC. So he's showing you all the parts that he's including in the build. And then what he does is he has affiliate links for all of these products in the video. So as you can see, this is going to be the graphics card he's using, the processor, the liquid cooler, and all of the other parts, the SSD, the hard drive, the computer case. So if I were to click on any of these links, as you can see, it says right here, USA link, and then it's an Amazon link. So for this specific link, this is going to be the graphics card. So if I click on this link, that's going to bring me to Amazon. And what do you know? It's going to be the exact same graphics card that he was talking about in this video. So if I were to buy this product, he would be earning a commission from that. So that's one way that you can promote your affiliate links. So YouTube is a great way to earn money using affiliate marketing. Now, the next website that I want to talk about that you can use to earn $100 a day with is going to be a website called Fiverr. So this is basically a freelancing website. So this is a website where you can offer services, anything ranging from logo design, voiceover service, translation, illustration, designing book covers, data entry, and there's plenty other services that you can offer. So this is a website where people come to in order to request these services. They pay people to provide these services for them. But you can actually make money by becoming a seller. So right here, if I click on become a seller, all you have to do is just sign up, and then it says create a gig. So this is basically where you're letting people know what kind of services that you're providing. When somebody contacts you for your service, you're going to deliver that service, and then you get paid after the service is done. Now you can charge people anywhere starting from $5, $20, $50, $100. It depends on what kind of service that you're offering and how talented you are and how in demand your services are. So let me just give you an example. So let's say that I'm looking for a web designer. So as you can see, there's a huge jump in the price ranges. So this guy is starting out at $250. This guy is starting out at $15. This guy is starting out at $95. So it's all depending on what you want to charge for your service and how skilled you are when it comes to your service. So let's click on this guy's profile and see what he has to offer. So he says, I will provide UI UX design services for mobile and web. Not sure what UI UX design is, but I mean, it looks like he knows what he's doing. And he pretty much lays out all of the services that he's going to be providing. He tells you what he provides and what he doesn't provide. And then it gives you the option of different plans that you can choose. So he's starting out at $250. He jumps up to $350, and then for the premium service, he's charging $550. So imagine if you know how to provide this type of service. I mean, I'm not saying to charge this much because I mean I think that's a little bit pricey, but I mean you can easily charge $100 just for the basic service if you know what you're doing. Now let me look at somebody else's service. So this guy right here is starting out at $15. So right here he says, I will design an attractive and professional web banner, ad, header, cover, and flyer. Okay, so this guy's just designing some kind of artwork for $15. So it's not exactly web design, but I mean it's it's not bad for 15 bucks. Okay, so let's look at another one. So this guy right here, I will do web design and build a complete website. Okay, so he has a little video, like I guess a preview of trailer of what he's offering, and he lays out the services that he's offering as well. Revisions, e-commerce with various payment methods, websites, SEO friendly URLs, secure websites. Okay, so he's starting out his service at $110 for the basic service. For the standard is $245 and premium is $400. So you can see the potential when it comes to earning money with Fiverr. And there's a whole range of different services that you can provide. So if you don't know how to provide any kind of online services, I mean, I recommend that you take the time to learn them because you can use that skill to make you money over and over and over again. Okay, so let me jump over to the next website, which is going to be called Lime. So Lime is kind of like the Uber of scooters. You can just rent out scooters and then you pay with your credit card or debit card, and then you can just, I believe they charge you by the distance that you ride the scooter around, or maybe the time limit that you're renting out the scooter for. But anyways, these are electric scooters, so they do need to be recharged. So what you can do is you can make money by charging these scooters. So in order to sign up, you just click right here where it says join us, and then right here it says charge scooters. Click on that, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna apply to join Lime to be able to charge their scooters. So how this works is you're gonna download the app, and the app is gonna show you what scooters need to be recharged, and they offer about $5 to $6 for charging each scooter. So towards the end of the day, you're going to see scooters that need to be recharged on your app. You're going to take those, you're going to pick them up, and then you're going to charge those scooters. And then you're going to put those scooters out before 7 a.m. the next day. Now, if you think you can't make a whole lot of money charging scooters with Lime, there's a video by a guy named Ray, the entrepreneur, and he actually shows you how much money you can make by charging scooters with Lime and also Bird. So Bird is kind of like the Uber of scooters, and Lime is like the Lyft of scooters, if that makes sense. Alright, so the next website that I want to talk about is called textbroker.com. So this website is perfect for people who enjoy writing. So there's a lot of people who have their own businesses, who have blogs, and a lot of companies that need articles written for them. So what they do is they come here and they have people write articles for them. So Textbroker is like the middleman. So you can have content written for you, or you can actually write content and get paid for it. So if you click right here, it says I write content, and to find out how they work when it comes to payment, you just click right here and you're gonna scroll down. So if you come down right here, you're gonna see how they pay you, and they pay you based off of your writing skill. So if you have a 2-star rating, they're gonna pay you 0.7 cents per word, and if you have a 5-star rating, they're gonna pay you 5 cents per word. So if you're wondering how that calculates out, they also have a calculator right here, like a word counter. So if you have a 2-star rating for 1,000 words, you're gonna get paid $7. So if you write, let's say, a 2,000 word article, you're gonna get paid $14 for a 2-star rating. So a 3-star rating, you're gonna get paid $20. 4-star, you're gonna get paid $28, and for a 5-star rating, you're gonna get paid $100. So if you're writing at a 5-star skill level, that's gonna be an easy $100 a day, because writing a 2,000 word article is not really that hard. It probably takes only maybe like 45 minutes. So you can see that you can easily earn $100 a day with TextBroker. But I want to give you guys a quick disclaimer. In order to sign up with TextBroker, you do need to be a US citizen, and they pretty much explain what you need in order to get started. So you have to register for free, you verify your citizenship, you submit a writing sample, and that's how they rate your writing skills. You get your rating, you complete your profile, and then that's when you can start writing and start earning money. Okay, so the last website that I want to share with you guys is going to be a website called User Testing. So this website is paying you basically to go to other apps and other websites to test them out and see how your experience is. So in order to, if you want to learn how it works, you just click right here where it says get paid to test, and they're going to break it down for you. So it says visit an app or a website, complete a set of tasks, and speak your thoughts out loud. And then that's when you get paid. You can earn up to $60 per test. And if you have any other questions, they pretty much break it down right here. So you get paid $10 via PayPal every 20-minute video that you complete. You have to complete a set of tasks and then speak your thoughts out loud. So these are all the companies that have used user testing to try out their service. So if you're wondering what you need to get started, you basically need a computer with an internet connection. You need to be able to download their testing software, and you have to be 18 years or older, and then you need to speak your thoughts out loud in English. And if you're wondering how much you can make, it says it right here. This is a great way to earn a few extra dollars on the side. It won't make you rich, but it's an extra something. And they pay you via PayPal. And if you're wondering if user testing is available in your country, they have a list right here of all the different countries that can sign up with user testing. So right here, this pretty much covers the majority of the world. So if you're wondering what the sign up process is, they explain it right here. Enter in your email address and complete a sample test. So once you're approved, then you can start getting paid to test out other websites or apps. So that's basically it for all the websites that I wanted to share with you guys. These are all legitimate websites, so you're going to have to put in the work in order to get paid. Some of these you can earn some extra cash on the side, but then again, there's others that you can actually make a full-time income with. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys learned something new, and hopefully you guys will take advantage of these websites so you can start earning money online. And if you're interested in my personal recommendation when it comes to earning a full-time income online, then check out the first link in the top of the description. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.